pennies. NOV unchanged. Silk unchanged. Chevron down. Freeport down. Time to take a Freeport as an ATR trade at 20 cents. Come on, baby, let the good times roll. GameStop down 12. Com down 35 cents. Kind of pretty close to pulling the ripcord here in Com. COMM, that's kind of just running. QS trading here, no 30s. Those are out of the monies. Here we go, Snapchat. I can't take these guys. If you want to take these, you're on your own. These are Snapchat next week 65s. Snapchat next week 65s being bought for 106. So scan idea. Ooh. Buy the Snapchat. Ooh, Elon. E-L-I-N. Those are July 16th. 36 is an E-L-I-N. I like those better than the Snapchat ones. Elanco Animal Health. Yeah, but the June 38th went to 0. Buy Snapchat 625. 2021 65 calls for 106. Damn, they're coming out like crazy. Targets 150 and 2. So Snapchat calls being bought here. You know, it's not for me. If you guys want to take it, it's up to you. You can turn these into call spreads. And then we say ELIN. The 36s are on fire here. They're about to hit target 1 here. Wow. ELIN, guys. 36 is being bought here. They're on fire. Those hit at 95 cents, guys. ELIN hit at 95 cents here. ELIN hit at 95 cents. Intel next week, calls being bought. ELIN calls being bought. Now stock selling off. 36s are up to 130 just like that. That's crazy. Couldn't even get into those guys. So those you cannot get into. APA off the highs. Glow off the highs. Aqua 35s trading here. Futures down 9 1/4. I don't know how I'm down $3,000. I'm down 700 in muds. I'm down 1,200 in that. A lot of covered calls just aren't working today. 907 and 8 cents. Might have to roll these to the next week's. I know. Still an EDU, OC calls. Well, the signals from today, AVTR, AUG 40s trading here. Volume less than open interest. NOV from today, we hit at 45. Those are up to 50 or 55. So that's technically a winner. BKR, we hit at 40. Those are technically a winner. Jumanji, this week 30s being bought, small. Freeport didn't work out. Chevron didn't work out. I'll take Chevron to 0. Chevron, the 113s at 10 cents. I mean, those are worth a flyer in my opinion. $100 worth maybe, baby. 10 contracts. And Chevron. AMC up 6. GameStop weak. Google weak. Freeport. Yeah, I'm looking to add a Freeport at 20 actually. I'll take an ATR trade at 20. I am down $32 on that trade. ELIN. Intel calls for next week being bought, guys. If you want to take a flyer on some Intel calls, I don't blame you. So Intel calls hitting for next week. BCRX trading here, nothing doing that one. Bingo was his name, sir. I have a structured note in BKE. Let's look at some structured notes. Daily chart. Futures down 9 1/4, waiting for something. Guys, we just saw like 3 trades in a row. And ELIN, Snapchat, and then Intel. WCC. Westco International. I would not touch this with a 10-foot pole. No, thank you. BKE. Oh, I'd like to back this one's down. Gap. Gap down from the highs. HIBB. Crowd. Futures weak. So we got out some premium yesterday. Crowd Strike. OKTA. I have no idea what that stock even is. Okta. Oh yeah, that stock does. And ZS. I would not touch this with a 10-foot pole. It's actually not that bad. You're paying 2% commission. Screw that. ELIN. Come on. If I could have got into those, I mean, I like that signal. July 36s, 95, 140. High of the day is 131, 133, I guess. Silca really weak here. And I wouldn't be buying these calls here, guys. Stock has sold off really hard from the highs. Okay, you got to also look at where the stock is versus where the options are. So I would not be buying SLCA here for 60. You think, oh, AK, I got a pullback here at 60. Well, the signal hit at when stock was 1142. So it's a way worse signal now when the stock's trading at 1112. So it's way worse now. Just to let you know, guys know. UAVS. Oh no, all my things went down. Ugh. Sorry about that. Let me bring them all back up here. UAVS, I took as a covered call, so I'm actually up in that trade. I would never have taken that trade as a option hacker trade. So UAVS, I would never take it from an option hacker trade. RDSA, I still think it's okay. We had a great trade in ALLT yesterday. Oh. SEP 22s. BLNK trading here, nothing new BLNK. Axon, July 65s. We saw, ooh, Axon, July 65s. Those are up to 142. Futures down 12. GM selling off. Freeport actually moving up a little bit here. Tesla down 10. Google down 15. CNX down. 35 bid for those right now. Mud's down. 1044. Muds, you suck. MMYT trading here. In the green, we have AMC's in the green. AMC's in the green. All the oil names are still in the green. BKR is still in the green. NOV is still in the green. APA is in the green. RDSA is in the green. You can get those July 30th calls and RDSA at 70 again. So RDSA, you can get these at 70 again. So if you like these, you can get these at 70. This is 7/30/2021. 45 calls, you can get them at 70. Glow down. Glow, I am bid. I'm 35 bid for some of these. Let's look at these. Ooh, Glow. About to buy some Glow calls for 35. Where's my bid? I'm supposed to be bid here. So that'd be a reverse scan. Oh, maybe my bid's 32. So Glow calls, I'd buy more at 32. Buy a 30 lot for 32. That'd be 50% of what it traded yesterday. Yeah, Glow's been a loser. NLV, PKR still hanging out. RDSA still hanging out. So we bring up the portfolio. Actually, CNX has flipped to a loser. Fuel cell puts being bought. So if we go down here, we did a really good job taking off positions yesterday. So Glow's a loser. NOV, BKR, and RDSA, they're all pretty much changed. And then C and X, I think we took off yesterday at 90. We did take it off yesterday at 90. So we took off C and X yesterday. We took Dollar Tree off yesterday, and we took APA off yesterday. We got very lucky taking some exits yesterday. Sohu, yeah, Sohu, you suck. I agree with that one. I have, how many do I have? Nuance puts trading here. Some positions in June just hasn't worked. Dollar Tree, we got off at 30 yesterday. Dollar Tree's bid here. I'd rather be buying it for 23 than selling it for 23, to be honest. I'd rather be buying it for 23 than selling it for 23, to be honest. We have 303 after this, then we have mentoring. Dollar Tree exit was 30. On Mondays, you know, you can get the most premium for the week. So sometimes it just takes stuff off early if it's just not working, unfortunately. Some things just aren't going to work, unfortunately. UXIN, more calls being bought. These are July 7s. UIXN, guys, July 7s trading here. UXIN, July 7s trading here. UIXN, July 7s trading here. UIXN, July 7s. UIXN, July 7s. UXIN, July 7s trading here. Could have got those at 40 cents. You can still get them at 40. Now you get them at 35. I'm going to take these at a flyer at 35 cents. I don't think they're the worst thing in the world. Could have got them at 35, guys, in UIXN. I don't even, let's see what this company even does. UIXN. Oh, yeah. Based in Beijing. An investment holding company operates used cars for e-commerce. Flyer 35, I think, is okay, guys, in UXIN. Taking a flyer at 35, I think, is okay. Moves 50 cents a day. This should be my spec play of the year. At 4:30. Look at that candle. That's a crazy candle right there. July 7th, 35. I'm just looking for August for something to trade out. August 7th for, I don't know, 70. You can get, Stock's down 17% today. Stock is down 17%. My June 6th covered call, I'm up today in it? How is that possible? I don't know. I'm just kind of keeping an eye on this for, it might be a super options trade here. UXIN. Oh, here, the AUG 7s I don't hate. At 70. UXIN got down to 405. Silk only up 17 cents. DPW. I do not know that. I do not know the answer of. So I apologize. I don't know the answer for that. That I'm not 100% sure about. 7 minutes to go, guys. 7 minutes to go. Then we have the 303. DOY something. Glow is still on. It's just down. It's not working out. It's a loser. You want to take it off for 50% stop. You're getting pretty close here. That trade has been a loser. UNFI, they're selling some Nove calls. Wow, UNFI, the July 45s, got up to 87 cents today. So actually, we did take this one off yesterday, too, at 65. So UNFI, guys, if you're still in this trade, they got up to 85 today. I would be exiting UNFI as we see calls being sold. UNFI, we see calls being sold. I'd be exiting UNFI around 75 cents. United National Foods, no 45s being sold. So great signal in UNFI. That one has worked. ARKK puts trading here. What was I keeping on? Oh, UXIN. Just keep an eye on the AUG 7s. If the AUG 7s, I like the AUG 7s at 65. So the AUG 7s I do like at 65. AUG 7s around 65 cents. I do like these. If the stock moves lower here, it might be a possibility for something to scoop up a little bit. Reward to risk basis in UXIN. 5 minutes ago, then we're off to 303. Dollar Tree, beast mode. 24.27. High of the day is 29. Chevron, I'm in 18. That's a loser. RDSA moving up a little bit. July 30th calls are up to 75, maybe 70, 75. Could we get a massive sell-off reversal? Possibly. Just kind of keep an eye on the AUG 7s. Yeah, I mean, we were up this morning. Hmm. 5-minute bars, we had no signals today. So 5-minute bars, and look at Bob, a straight lower. CNX lower. Freeport down, CNX down, Tech down. Futures on a low of the day. Ooh, I'm getting a reverse scan and glow at 32. Glow got filled at 32 here, guys, in a reverse scan. 32 I just got filled. So let's offer some out at 48. So reverse scan here and glow at 32 cents. Wow. Don't hate them here. GLW, guys. It's going to be 4 weeks for 32 cents. So if you have not got into glow, I think glow is still good. If you have, if you want to add, you're a little bit riskier of a trader. This is not for a beginner trader. I think adding is okay. So this is a reverse scan here in glow, guys. There's a reverse scan here in glow. Targets will be 48 and 60. 32 cents, guys. I'm adding to the position. So scan, reverse scan, buy GLW, 7/9/2021. 43 calls for 32. Targets will be 48 and 60. This is only if you're a riskier trader and you believe in this signal, guys. If you're a riskier trader and you believe in this signal, I think it's okay to add. Realize you can't lose all your money. Option can go to 0. But I'm willing to take that chance. Willing to take that chance. Oh, you took the stop loss? Yeah. I bought some glows and I bought BKR. When an option goes down 50% in like 3 days, and I have 4 weeks for it, I just think there's a chance and opportunity to put that trade on. RDSA 70.75. I still like UXIN. I'm keeping an eye on this here. Let's get AUG. Getting the last 7 lots. Okay, cool. UIXN 8 20 21. 7 calls. 65. Got a minute to go, guys, and we're off to 303. One minute to go, and we're off to 303. You're still in glow at 62. Yeah, so I bought 28 of them. I have 2 of them left. Let's just look at the short interest here. All right, guys, got to go. I'll see everybody back later. If not, I'll see you in 303 in a minute.